What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a very simple yet very effective and one of the best security practices that you can implement on your WordPress website to make it more secure and more hackers bulletproof, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin. Enter with login with email or username and password. You're gonna be able to find this page right here. This is your WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus. Scroll down and hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of the screen, to search plugins, you're gonna click and type really simple security, okay? This is, as the name says, a really simple security solution for your site. It used to be really simple SSL, but now it does more than this. Click on Install Now, then click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page, the plugin dashboard. Nothing to worry about it, okay? So just go to Settings, review this middle sidebar of Settings, and click on Hardening, okay? Just like this. Now, here is the trick. Prevent code execution in the public uploads folder, okay? What does this work? There is a public uploads file on your WordPress, a folder on WordPress where, for example, persons that open support tickets can attach content, or for example, persons where can upload images. So anyone can upload anything, and if someone tries to upload a malicious code, this can be executed and broke your site, okay? So if you just set this as on, click on save, your site gonna be much more secure. But you can also set as on a couple of other features that is useful. For example, disable the building file editors, hide the WordPress version, prevent WordPress login feedback. By default, WordPress shows a username or email address exists into the login files. It changes the generic feedback, okay? So this is gonna help. Disable user enumeration, unset expired, block username admin. The username admin currently exists on the rename. You can rename it if you have, okay? So you can disable the RML. And block user registration and login display are the same name. So every single option right here is a very useful and important security practice. So focus on what you need, and as soon as you do, your site gonna be more secure. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. Also, don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.